adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency means here we come to know that how often, how frequently an action is done. Okay, reading these sentences we will come to know that how frequently an action is done. Let's read these sentences. He often comes here. We have to ask question how many times. Okay, how often? We get the answer and that answer will be adverb of frequency. Number 1, he often comes here. Here what is verb? Comes. Okay. And if we ask question how many times? So answer comes often. Often means many times. So this is adverb of frequency because we ask question how often? We get answer often. Often means many times. So this is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. And come here. Here you know this is adverb place. This is already explained. The doctor comes twice a day. Here, what is subject? The doctor. What is verb? Comes. In the same way, if we ask question, comes how many times? So answer comes twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay, 2 times in a day. So this is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. In the same way, next, she comes daily. Here, what is subject? She. Verb comes. In the same way, if we ask question, comes how many times or how often? We get the answer and that answer is daily. Daily means regularly. So this is adverb of frequency. This tells us about how often, how frequently an action is done. So let's see next kind. Now let's see adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tells us how much or to what extent an action is done. So we have to ask question how much and when we get answer, that will be adverb of degree. Let's see. The horse runs very fast. Here what is verb? Runs. Okay, this is verb. And fast. Fast word. The horse runs. It is also complete sentence. Okay. But if it is written very and fast means these words are written to add meaning to this verb runs. Okay. The horse runs very fast. Fast is adverb. Okay. And this is used to add meaning to verb. Okay. This is used to describe verb. Runs. How? So answer comes fast. Okay. So this is adverb. Adverb of manner. It is okay. Now very is also a word and this is used not for runs but this is used for fast. Fast. How much? If we ask question, very, very fast. So this is adverb of manner, that is okay. And this is another adverb and it is used to describe adverb. Okay. There are 2 adverbs. One is fast, adverb of manner, that is okay. And this is also adverb which is used for another adverb. Because as I have already explained, adverbs are not describing verb only. This is used to describe adjective also and adverb also, another adverb also. Here, very is that word. And if we ask question how much, answer comes very. This is adverb of degree. Okay. Next, Mohan is too careless. Mohan, subject, is verb, careless. This is adjective. Okay. And too. This is adjective. And too. If we ask question how much careless, answer comes too. Too means he is very careless. So this is also giving us degree. Okay. It means he is too much careless. So this is adverb of degree. This is adverb of degree. Because if we ask question how much, answer comes 2. I am extremely sorry. Here subject I, am verb, sorry, this is adjective. Okay, here adverb is used to describe adjective. Extremely. This is adverb. Why? Because this is used here to describe adjective. This is adjective. Okay. Extremely. If we ask question how much, I'm sorry, answer comes extremely, very much. So this is adverb of degree. Okay. because we have asked question using how much. She was almost happy. Subject she was, verb happy, this is adjective. Okay. And almost, if we ask question how much happy, answer comes almost. And this is adverb of degree. So here you can see adverb degree, they are used to describe adjective also and another verb also and adverb also. Okay, these are clear to you. Now let's see one last kind, that is adverb, interrogative adverb. Now let's see last kind, interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverbs are these question words: where, how, when, why, and these are used to ask question about verb in the sentence. Okay, let's see. Where will you celebrate your birthday? Here, what is question word? This is question word. Where will you celebrate your birthday? Here, where is used, this word is used to ask question about verb, about celebration. So this is used to ask the question about verb, and verb is celebrate. And this is asking the question of place of celebration. So this is interrogative adverb. Okay, here you have to keep in your mind only that these question words are used in the starting of the sentence, and they are used to ask question of verb. Okay. So this is adverb. What kind of adverb? Interrogative adverb. Now next, how have you solved this question? Here, how. This word, question word is used here to ask question about manner of solving. Okay, it means this is also ask question about verb. Verb is solve. Okay, this is used to ask question about the manner of solving this question. So this is also adverb, interrogative adverb. Now next, when will you finish your work? Here also, when is used to ask question about verb finish, finishing the work. Okay, this is adverb. What kind of? Interrogative adverb. And this is used to ask question about timing of finishing the work. So this is also interrogative adverb. This is used to ask question about verb finish. Next, why are you trying? Here, why. This is used to ask question about verb, and what is verb? Verb is crying. Okay, so this is used to ask question about crying. So you have to keep in your mind only that interrogative adverbs are those question words which are used to ask question about verb, about the action done in the sentence. It can be of timing, of place, or of manner, of reason also.